Today, I will be showing you what to do when a customer calls in reporting that their product key is not working. And this is usually because they've installed like a VM with the EVAL version of an operating system. So in this case, I have Windows Server 2019 standard evaluation installed in a VM. And when they come into the system properties and click this change product key to enter the product key, they will get, let me copy that again, show you the error that they get. It'll say the product key you entered didn't work. Check the product key and try again, or enter a different one. And you validate that this is the correct product key. A lot of times we'll have them send a picture of the product key on the CO sticker that's on the server, just to make sure that there was no mistakes. But even if it is correct, it's not going to work if you have an eval copy and you're trying to enter the product key this way. So I'll show you what we need to do. We need to convert it from eval to a licensed copy. We'll open a PowerShell, run as administrator, and I'm going to be using a KMS key, but you could, if it's a standard version on the host, you could just use the product key that's on the CO sticker on the label on the server. So that's what you'll be putting in this command. And enter. It's going to run, and it's going to remove the eval package from the server. And this could take a minute or two. And also note that if they're running data center on the host, they may be trying to use this AVMA. It's automatic virtual machine activation key, but this key will not work for this process. You can't convert an eval copy to licensed using an AVMA key. So if that's the case, you could use this KMS key, and you could Google 2019 standard KMS key, and you'll find a Microsoft article that has all of the keys. They're published by Microsoft, and you could use a KMS key to convert from eval to a licensed copy, but unless you have a KMS server, it's not gonna work. So after you're done converting, you can then enter the AVMA key. So it'll say the operation completed successfully. Press type Y to restart. And let it reboot real quick. I'll restart that anyway. And this is in a VM, so I'm running on VMware Workstation, but this will be the same in Hyper-V. And it's gonna finish removing those eval components. Just takes a couple seconds. And then it logs us back in. And if we go into control panel again, where we were looking at the system, and now we're converted to 2019 standard, it's activated. So that is all that you really should need to do. So that is all the information you need of when a product key is not working. Just check. The most common thing is that it's in an eval copy of the install, and you have to convert it. And you can convert it with a retail product key that is on the CO sticker on the server, or you could use that KMS key. And I might not have saved that. And then once you convert it with the KMS key, you can enter in a AVMA key, and you should be able to do that right here. the AVMA key will be accepted once it's out of eval mode. So hope this video helped you out, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.